these women do not actually exist. They are AI influencers, and they make a lot of money on Instagram and other social media platforms. Some AI influencers charge upwards of 6 figures for brand deals, while others average over $7K a month. Imagine that. So a very popular AI influencer would be Limik Kula, 2.6 million followers, and this is not the only one. There are hundreds of AI influencers right now on Instagram. So how do you go about creating your own AI influencer? It's so easy. I created this AI influencer with consistent photos in just 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It is so easy. First thing first, get over to RenderNet and just download that app. It's completely free of charge. It is very straightforward. There are some models on the left, and just choose the next photo and untick that, and then no need to change the settings, not yet. Go over to Face Lock, click on Face Lock, then you're going to add your starting image of maybe a IG model that you have found, and this will be your target image that you will generate different images from. So you will generate unique AI influences from this image. Next, you want to go into your prompt section and add this prompt or something similar. Front view portrait of blonde woman, wavy blonde hair, masterpiece, coffee shop, dusk hour, high quality HK, sharp details. Press generate and watch the magic happen. So it generated 2 images just like this, and they're completely different to the IG image in Face Lock. Very different, but it is a consistent image. Can you see? So let's try a different scene. So I chose this. So I added this new prompt: front view portrait of blonde woman, wavy blonde hair, masterpiece, living room, watching TV. So I changed the scene to living room from cafe, and these are the photos I got back. Incredible. Exactly the same. If you want to go further, you can control the poses as well on Control Net. So the image you've uploaded before, you can now mix it with another photograph that has a movement. So for example, this woman jumping, you just add a photograph of a action, and with the photograph from before, we face lock on, and guess what? When you generate it with this new image, it will then generate that photo of that woman that you already created, but in that position, jumping. Let me show you. Isn't that incredible? It's incredible. And that is your AI influencer right there. So give it a go and let's see what AI influencer you can come up with next. You can find the link to this application in the comments below. Don't forget, subscribe and like.